Okay, we're going to make a beaver tail. Here's a beaver tail. So we take some bread mix. This is 2 cups of brown flour, 1 cup of white flour, bread mixture, and we're going to deep fry it. So we'll cut a chunk of that off, sharp knife. There we go. So we have to try and form that into a shape, stretch it out, a bit like stretching pizza dough. Trying to make something that shape. It's very stretchy, which is great. And I'll turn up the fat and get the fat going. So it's ready. Doesn't matter too much. Just try and stretch it out a bit. Try not to put too many holes in it. So it's a very stretchy bread dough. It's been risen twice, and I think that'll do for now. And I'll drop it in the fat. I'll do it with the
very gently.
And there we go. And meanwhile, I'm going to try the one we cooked already. So a really good bread texture, lots of cinnamon sugar. Absolutely delicious. Just check this, that's doing nicely. Just rising as it goes. And here's the cinnamon sugar ready to receive the hot beaver tail. Oh, look at that. And you can see it sort of starts to brown a little bit around the edges. You don't have to poke it too much. There you go, it's just started to go brown around that edge. So we can flip it over, look at that. Not too difficult at all. So I'm using my trusty induction cooker. I've got it set to 180 degrees, which is not too, well, it's a hot fat, but it's not too hot. And that's cooking very nicely. Because with this side, we just need to keep an eye on it. It's not getting too done. Doesn't use too much fat in the pan, so it's not dangerous deep fat frying. Give it another moment or two. There we go, I think we can leave it at that. We'll drain the excess fat, and we'll drop that in the cinnamon, turn it round, flip it over, try and get the cinnamon sugar on it. Look at that, beautiful. Another one done. There we go. And so we can keep going.